What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. We're rebuilding Tesla Model X, and this video will be getting the car ready for paint. So stay tuned for that, and I want to say big thank you once again to every single one of you guys for subscribing, for showing so much love. You guys are just rock star. Thank you very much. So enough of this talk, and let's get back to work. Alright, quarter panel is installed. We had to do a little body work, and we put primer. Same with the door, so everything is done in the back. Right now I gotta take the door apart, remove the molding, the door handle and the mirror, because we're gonna blend the door, and it's going to the paint department. Alright, we got the Tesla in the paint department, and let's go take a look. Yeah, we'll start prepping the car and painting today. We'll mask everything and start prepping the car, and off to the spray booth it goes. Alright, we got the Tesla in the spray booth right now. We're gonna jam the inner of the door and the trunk. Mr. Jose gonna kill it once again, do his magic. And then once all this is painted, we'll close the door, and then we'll paint the rest of the car the following day. And that's it. And we'll start putting her back together and deliver it. Alright, Tesla is all taped up, prepped and ready to go. We're gonna jump the door leg around the back. So the next day, the following day, tomorrow, we'll close the tailgate and the door, and then we'll blend the whole side. Paint and blend the whole side. So yeah, something like this. Alright, everything got jammed, came out nice and clean. Bam. So tomorrow we'll start painting the side, we'll close the trunk, the door, we'll paint the quarter, the door, and then blend the front door. And we're good to go. We'll start putting the car together. Alright, so everything got painted inside like I showed you before. So now we're gonna prep the quarter, the door, and the front door and start painting it. So stay tuned. We gotta cover the window so no dust gets in there. Alright, we got a Tesla and a spray bud. Time to spray this real quick and ready to go. Alright, bumper and Tesla got painted. Came out nice and clean. So we'll start putting the car together. Wow, beautiful. We'll be putting the car back together. Everything got painted, so we gotta put the door together, the back end, the tail light, and the rear bumper. And we're gonna send this car off to detail, get it all washed up and ready for delivery. So let's take a closer look. So I gotta put this door together, the mirror, inside trim panel. Same with the back door, complete door inside out. And then same with the trunk, kind of put the side trunk together. And then glass guy's supposed to come and reinstall the side window. And with the back end, we're gonna install the old tail light, and we got a new bumper. And that's it, almost finished. All right, we put the front door together. Everything works and the door closes, no problem. So right now we'll start with the back door, putting the door handle, the inside trim, the window, and all the fun stuff. So that's up next. We're done with the door, everything together. Alright, Tesla looking pretty good. We're done with the doors. We installed the side glass. The trunk is all together as well, the side of the trunk panel. And let's take a closer look inside. And similar here, we installed the door panel. So the inside is completely done. Oh, looks nice. So the only thing we got left is the rear bumper. We're gonna change the upper rear bumper cover. And here's the new one. And that's it. The car is ready for a detail and ready for delivery. But everything works, all the doors, no problem. All right, so that's the last puzzle to this repair, to install the rear bumper, and the car is ready to rock and roll. We'll start detailing, washing, getting it all ready to go.
Rock and roll.
All right, we're officially finished with Tesla. Everything came out nice and clean, perfect car, 100% ready, all around. So customer gonna come pick it up right now. We detailed it, buffed it, washed it, you name it, everything ready to go. All right, guys, that's a wrap for this video. We're officially finished with Tesla, ready for delivery. I just want to say thank you to every single one of you for watching, for subscribing, for all the love. So this is it. We're finished. See you guys in the next one.